Ghent, a GMI company. In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Prest Mobile Whiteboard. Before you begin assembling, please make sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. Start the assembly by checking the parts list. Verify that the following parts are included with your assembly. Check the assembly for the following hardware. Step 1. Installing the casters. Begin Step 1 by placing the leg flat on the ground. Next, locate two casters and insert them on the holes located on the bottom of the leg. To install the casters, simply screw them into place. After both casters are tightly secured, repeat these steps and assemble one more leg with two casters. Step 1 is now complete. Step 2. Installing the legs. Begin Step 2 by placing the pressed panel onto the cardboard. Use the cardboard as a protective work area as you place the whiteboard on its side. Next, align one of the previously assembled legs to the edge of the frame and match the pre-drilled holes of the frame with the leg holes. Secure the leg assembly using 3 long screws and 3 washers. Keep the pressed panel frame straight, and using the Allen wrench, tighten the screws. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Repeat these steps and fully tighten the remaining screws. Step 2 is now complete. Step 3. Installing the braces. Begin Step 3 by placing 2 braces on the bottom of the frame and leg assembly. Push the braces in place, matching 2 bottom holes on the leg and 1 hole on the frame. Make sure to overlap the braces. Next, secure the braces using 3 small screws and 3 washers. Keep the pressed panel frame straight, and using the Allen wrench, tighten the screws. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Repeat these steps and fully tighten the remaining screws. Step 3 is now complete. Step 4. Installing the opposite legs and braces. Begin Step 4 by flipping the assembly over to expose the pre-drilled holes located on the opposite frame edge. Next, starting with the leg assembly, attach both the legs and braces as shown on the previous steps. After all hardware is fully secured, stand the unit upright and remove all packaging materials at this time. Finally, attach the accessory holder to the whiteboard at a desired height. Congratulations! You have completed the assembly of the Prest Mobile Whiteboard. Before using your whiteboard, ensure that all parts and hardware are properly secured in accordance with the assembly manual. Enjoy your new Prest Mobile Whiteboard. Brought to you by Ghent, a GMI company.